Today I'll show you how to increase the number of restore points on your Windows 11 PC. This will give you more restore points to choose from, allowing you to restore your PC to an earlier working state if something goes wrong. To do this, click on the Windows icon, type Restore, then click on Create a Restore Point. Now click on Configure. I'm currently only using 2% of my disk space for restore points. I can move the slider left or right to increase or reduce the allocated space for restore points. For example, I'll move it to 3%. Then click Apply. Then OK. Over the next few days, my PC will automatically create more restore points. Now, if you want to view your restore points, click on System Restore. Then click Next. Now tick the box next to Show More Restore Points. As you can see, I currently have 3 restore points I can go back to. Because I've increased the allocated disk space for System Restore, I should have more restore points available over the next few days. If I need to restore my PC to any of these dates, I just select one, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below the video.